Kayako versus Zoho Desk, two popular help desk software options that companies rely on to provide top-notch customer support. But which one truly stands out for your business needs? Stick around because I'm diving into both and giving you the inside scoop on what works, what doesn't, and which one you should actually consider. Let's start with Kayako. Kayako has a user-friendly interface and a solid feature set that includes ticketing, live chat, and a knowledge base, which you'd expect from any help desk software. But what sets it apart is its multi-channel support. Email, social media, and live chat are all integrated in one place. This means if you're managing a lot of communication channels, Kayako can make life a lot easier by keeping it all organized. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Kayako offers a good amount of customization, allowing you to tweak workflows and set up automated triggers. However, it lacks the depth of some competitors when it comes to advanced automations and integrations. If you have specific needs, like advanced third-party software integrations, you might find Kayako a little restrictive in that area. Now, moving on to Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is known for its deep integration with the Zoho ecosystem. If you're already using other Zoho tools like CRM, Zoho Desk is a no-brainer because the integration is seamless. It has features like multi-channel support, knowledge base, and advanced reporting. Zoho Desk also offers a more robust automation system compared to Kayako, making it a better fit for businesses that need a higher level of customization or have more complex workflows. But the next thing I noticed with Zoho Desk is its steep learning curve. The interface is not as intuitive as Kayako's, and while it does offer a lot of features, they can feel overwhelming at first. If you don't have a dedicated team for implementation or training, it might take some time to get the most out of Zoho Desk. The fourth thing, both Kayako and Zoho Desk come with a mobile app, but Zoho Desk's mobile experience is definitely the more polished of the two. If you're managing support on the go, Zoho Desk provides better functionality and usability on mobile, which is a major plus. So, here's the thing, both Kayako and Zoho Desk offer solid help desk solutions with unique strengths. Kayako might be more appealing if you're looking for simplicity and easy setup, but if you want a more feature-rich, customizable solution that integrates well with other software, Zoho Desk is the better choice if you can get past the learning curve. But if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, something simpler yet more powerful, I'd recommend checking out a better alternative. After trying both Kayako and Zoho Desk myself, I can confidently say that there's another solution out there that's worth your time. It offers an intuitive interface, powerful automations, and seamless integrations, plus, it's not as overwhelming as Zoho Desk. If you're interested in trying this alternative for yourself, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. It's the perfect opportunity to find a help desk solution that really works for your business without committing to anything upfront.